Hey guys, today in this video I review on Jabra Lite 45H wireless headphones. So please watch this video till the end and please subscribe this channel and like this video. So up to 5 up to 50 hours of battery life, that's what the Jabra Lite 45H promise. There a lot of attention on true wireless earphones these days, but that has not reduced demand for a traditional affordable on-air headphones. Superior battery life and easier and less intrusive fit and a more substantial product package are just some of the reason that people might have for preferring headphones. If you are one of those looking for a new pair of wireless on ear headphones, the Jabra Lite 45H has some impressive specification on paper. Priced at 999 rupees but available for close to half that price online at the time of writing this review. The Jabra Lite 45 H is an affordable pair for wireless headphones that has claimed battery life of up to 50 hours, for more than what most wireless headphones offer. The Elite 45 have 45 hours also promises comfort along with Jabra typical clinical approach to sound and connectivity. Find out how these wireless headphones performs in overview. The Jabra Lite 45H is a comfortable pair of on-air headphones. I personally am not a fan of the on-air type of headphones, preferring either an is in canal or over-ear fit, since they do not but put as much pressure on my ears. Fortunately for me, the Jabra Lite 45H has a very comfortable fit with plenty of soft padding on the ear cups and under the headband, and a light clamping feel. The ear cups have decent scope for movement, ensuring that the earphones will fit most people comfortably. Because of this, I was able to use the Elite 45H for hours at a stretch without any of the discomfort I usually face with on-air headphones. The fit does not make for very good noise insulation, but there is not much sound leakage either. The sound could only be heard outside the earphones at the highest volume level. The headset is not rated for water resistance, which is a bit disappointing. Although and entirely of plastic, the matte finish makes the Elite 45H look and feel pretty good. The left and right side indicators are patterned into the air pads for easy reference. The buttons and USB Type C port charging are on the right. A slider switch controllers power and Bluetooth pairing will three separate buttons near the top control playback and volume. There are two microphones on the right ear cup used for environmental noise reduction. For the outgoing voice single signal, the Jabra Lite 45H has 40 dynamic drivers and frequency response range of 20,000 Hz. For connectivity, the headphones use Bluetooth 5 with support for only the SBC codec. There is multi-point connectivity for up to two devices including in the sales package is a USB Type C able for charging and carry punch.